Malasakit himself, ang bisyo niya ay magserbisyo. Palakpakan natin, Senator Kuya Bong Go!
A dedicated public servant with over 2 decades of service to the Filipino people. He began his journey in 1998 as an executive assistant to then Davao City Mayor and former President Rodrigo Duterte. In 2019, he was elected as a senator, placing third with an impressive 21 million votes, an extraordinary achievement for a provinciano and a first-time candidate. Since joining the Senate, he has recorded 0 absences from the 18th Congress up to the present 19th Congress, a testament to his unwavering dedication to his duties and the Filipino people. As the chairperson of the Senate Committee on Health, he spearheaded the creation of the Malasakit Centers, which simplify access to government medical assistance for poor and indigent patients by uniting all relevant agencies under one roof. With 166 centers across the country, from Batanes to Tawi-Tawi, these have benefited more or less 15 million Filipinos. His commitment to healthcare also led to the development of more than 600 super health centers, providing primary healthcare and early disease detection nationwide. He is the principal sponsor and author of the Regional Specialty Centers Act, establishing specialized care centers for the heart, lungs, kidneys, mental health, pediatric, geriatric, cancer care, and more across the regions. His legislative achievements also include the Salary Standardization Law 5, which raised government employee salaries, the Bureau of Fire Protection Modernization Law, and the establishment of the Department of Migrant Workers. As the chairperson of the Senate Committee on Sports and on Youth, as a sports enthusiast and athlete, his leadership was pivotal in passing the National Academy of Sports Act and crafting the Philippine National Games Bill, bolstering national sports programs and support for athletes, including those with disabilities. He passionately supports grassroots sports development, recognizing its vital role in youth development and societal well-being. A leader who embodies the principle that serving the people is not just a duty but a passion. Bisyo niya ang magserbisyo sa kapwa Pilipino. Our tireless advocate for service and compassion, Mr. Malasakit Senator Christopher Bongo.
Mr. Malasakit himself, ang bisyo niya ay magserbisyo. BFOMs, palakpakan natin, Senator Bong Go!
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat, mga kababayan ko rito sa Barangay BF Homes. Unang-una, congratulations po sa inyo lahat. Sa mga bagong kasal, congratulations. Sa kahit na yung iba dyan, may mga malalaki na anak, no? Nagpakasal muli. Napaka sarap po ng pakiramdam. Ako parati po ako nag-attend tuwing Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day para sa lahat. Sa inyo rin, ma'am. Asa yung date mo? Dito ka nag-date, duty ka ngayon. Sa lahat po ng 90 couples, no? 80 couples. Congratulations po. Ang sarap ng pakiramdam ngayong araw na ito. Timing po na Valentine's Day. Salamat sa mga nag-organize nito, no? Of course, ang ating minamahal na barangay captain, ang aking kaibigan. Alam nyo, maalala ko pa po noong 2015, dito umikot kami ni former President Duterte. Siya talaga yung sumalubong noon. At hanggang ngayon, nandiyan pa rin po. Kaya ako, tinuturing kita na totoong kaibigan. At sa panahon rin po na nung nandyan kami, hindi ka namin pinapabayaan. Kasi totoong kaibigan ka. Palapakan natin si Kapitan Jeremy Marquez. Salamat po, boss. Thank you. And of course, palapakan rin po natin ang ating congressman ng anong party? Bicol Saro Party List. At taga ano rin po siya, taga dito sa inyong distrito. kilala ko po itong taong ito, matulungin, magaling. At saka experience na po siya bilang mambabatas. At katulad nitong mga proyektong ganito, no, tulong sa inyo, kasalan, at hindi lang po kasalan. Kilala niyo naman po siya dahil taga Parañaque po siya. At yung pagsiservisyo, at mas padadagdagan pa yung pagsiservisyo rito sa Parañaque. Dahil season na po siya, kabisado na po niya at asset po ito sa Kongreso, si Congressman Brian Yamsuan. Palakpakan po natin. And of course, ang aking mga kaibigan, dating idol ko rin po sa basketball, pareho kami ng hilig, basket player pa siya noon, naging coach po. Bumalik na rin po siya paging konsel, ating minamahal na Councilor Binky Fabis. Palakpakan po natin. Ang ating si former councilor, anak ni Mayor Bernabe, no? Anak ni Mayor. Ating former councilor running for vice mayor. Ang tatay niya si June Bernabe. Sir, hindi ko rin po nalilimutan yan. Yung tatay nyo, kasama ni Kapitan Jeremy noon, isa rin po sa tumanggap kay former President Duterte. Palakpakan naman natin, Councilor Benji Bernabe. Sir, maraming salamat po. Alam nyo, kami mga Bisaya, I'm sure maraming Bisaya nandito. Tayo po ay marunong tumanaw ng utang na loob. Kaya po ako nandito parati sa Parañaque. Parati ako dito, sunog, kalamidad. Nandito po ako. Alam ni Kapitan Jeremy yan. Hindi lang dito sa BF Home, sa iba't ibang parte, anong mga barangay na yung napuntahan ko. Halos lahat ng barangay dito, tuwing nasusunugan, dikit-dikit ang bahay dito. Ako po isang Bisaya na Batanggenyo. Taga-Tanawan po, Tesoro po ang aking lolo't lola. Pero Bisaya po akong taga Mindanao. At kanina may lumapit sa akin, yung inaanak ko, sana yung inaanak ko kanina, kinasal rin po siya rito. Sa kasalan ng bayan, inaanak, sana yun? Ayun, inaanak, huwag ka umalis ha. Ito, kailan ka kinasal? Kailan ka kinasal dito? Dito rin, di ba? SM Bikutan, ninong ako, di ba? Oh. Pakita ka. Ito, inaanak ko, dialysis patient siya. 7 years na po. Inaanak ko sa yung kasalan sa SM BF. SM Bikutan. That was 6 years ago. Lumapit siya sa akin ngayon. Sabi